Ever faced the challenge of accessing business data when away from the office and your Tally data? Are you always depending on your team to churn data into meaningful reports? Introducing Talligence, a unique AI and ML powered business data analytics solution that transforms Tally data into meaningful business insights. With built-in industry standard KPIs, pre-formatted reports, dashboards, you can get insights into your business data anytime, anywhere, and on any device. To get started, all you need to do is download the Talligence connector and integrate it with your existing Tally ERP software. Your Tally data will automatically be exported and synced over secure channels. Once the data is in sync, you can start exploring this business data from the web as well as mobile devices. The native mobile apps of Talligence are available on both iOS and Android devices. Business owners love Talligence as it provides access to Tally data in various graphical formats like graphs, charts, tabular formats, and has various pre-built dashboards designed to share powerful and actionable business insights. Talligence offers dashboards for C-level executives to provide holistic business insights and predefined industry-specific KPIs to monitor and improve business performance. Talligence is not a mere reflection of your Tally data, but a much powerful tool that churns your business data into meaningful business insights. Business owners can compare the data with current business trends, previous year, quarter, and weeks in just minutes. Also, one can set thresholds on various parameters like monthly expenditures, receivables, payables, and get notified when these conditions are met. Talligence is not just for business owners, but it is equally useful to monitor and manage other business functions like sales, finance, purchase, inventory, and more. Talligence provides various MIS reports like sales, purchase, inventory, account receivables, account payables, etc. with powerful dashboards. That's not all. The core engine of Talligence is powered by powerful artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms. Moreover, you need not hunt for data points, as now you can even talk to your data. Talligence runs a virtual assistant that interacts with your inputs. You can talk to your data anytime, anywhere, instead of hunting for information. Want to give Talligence a try and see how it can benefit your business? Contact us for a no-obligation free trial or email us today.